This is the bottom of the RX3, sandblasted. Cleaned it with edger, like an acid dip prep for metal. Looks pretty good. Certain areas needs to be fabricated with some patching because of the rust. But overall, looks good. Tomorrow I'll do another wipe down. I already did the first wipe down with the prep all. And then tomorrow I'll do the final prep cleaning so I could get it primered. RX2 is looking at me saying, make sure you do it right. But a lot of work, but it's coming out nicely and correctly.